Your spine straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in, hold it there. Oh. 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 गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतान शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। वर्णानामर्थसङ्घानां रसानां छन्दसामपि मङ्गलानां च कर्तारौ वन्दे वाणी विनायकौ भवानी शङ्करौ वन्दे श्रद्धा विश्वासरूपिणौ याभ्यां विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्धस्तमीश्वरम् वन्दे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरुं शङ्कररूपिणं यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चन्द्रः सर्वत्र वन्द्यते नीलाम्बुजश्यामलकोमलाङ्गं सीता समारोपितवामभागम् पाणौ महासायकचारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथं लालदेहलालीलसे अर्धरि लाललङ्गूर वज्रदेहदानवदलन जय 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 कपिसूर यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यम् श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि रामं रामानुजं सीतां भरतं भरतानुजं सुग्रीवं वायुसूनं च प्रणमामि पुनः पुनः नमोऽस्तु रामाय सलक्ष्मणाय देव्यै च तस्यै जनकात्मजायै नमोऽस्तु रुद्रेन्द्रयमानिलेभ्यः नमोऽस्तु चन्द्रार्कमरुद्गणेभ्यः आञ्जनेयमतिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमनीयविग्रहम् पारिजाततरुमूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनम् अञ्जनीनन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम् बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत् ॐ आञ्जनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात् गोष्पदीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् शान्तं शाश्वतमप्रमेयं मनघं निर्वाणशान्तिप्रदम् ब्रह्मा शम्भुफणीन्द्रसेव्यमनिशं वेदान्तवेद्यं विभुम् रामाख्यं जगदीश्वरं सुरगुरुं मायामनुष्यं हरिं वन्देऽहं करुणाकरं रघुवरं भूपालचूडामणिम् नान्या स्पृहा रघुपते हृदये स्मदीह्ये सत्यं वदामि च भवानखिलान्तरात्मा भक्तिं प्रयच्छ रघुपुङ्गवनिर्भरां मे कामादिदोषरहितं कुरु मानसञ्च अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं धनुजवनकृशानं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि वातजातं नमामि. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Sundarkandam session from Valmiki Ramayana. We have covered first 15 verses in past two sessions. And those who are joining new today, not to worry. Eventually you will get the hang of it because there are so many verses in the first sarga itself. More than 200 are there. So in one or two sessions you will come to know about it. And in the initial sessions, probably I might say some grammar rule or some pronunciation rule. And if you have missed over those two sessions, anything, the YouTube links are available so that you can revisit the session. And those who have attended it, to revise if you want, do visit YouTube session. And of course, in class, you can always ask any doubts anytime. Just use the raise hand option and you can unmute yourself to ask if you're having any doubts. So, without wasting any time, today we're jumping directly into the verse 60. Last time there were three hands who didn't get a chance to chant. They were Gayatriji, Pushpaji, and Sumitaji. So we will begin with them. And everybody gets only one verse, but these three who had raised hands didn't get a chance. They'll do two verses, one of the last and one of this, and we continue. So, and other volunteers, those who want to volunteer, please raise your hands. So, Pushpaji, we'll start first with you. Can unmute yourself, Pushpaji. You available, Pushpaji? Pushpaji, are you available? Or maybe you are in clinic. Okay. So, Sumitaji, if you can unmute yourself, Sumitaji. Yeah. मुमोच च शिलाः शैलो विशाला समनः शिलाः
मुमोच मुमोच च मुमोच च शिला शैलो विशाला समनशिलाः
मध्यमेनार्चिषा जुष्टः मध्यमेनार्चिषा जुष्टो धूमराजिरिवानलः
मध्यमेनार्चिषा जुष्टो धूमराजिरिवानलः
So those
मुमोच
who have
च शि
joined you, we don't have any pada breaks. Pada breaks are like this is Anushtup Chanda going on. After every eighth syllable, we call it as one pada. That is one quarter. So in chanting of Sundarakanda, we don't have any pada breaks. We take breath once in the starting, chant the whole line, and then drop that breath and take another breath to chant the second line. So it will be as a continuation when we do the parayan. And just a quick revision. See, we said mumoch. O is permanently a dirgha sound. That mu is a short sound. Shila shailo, we said. Shilaha. After that, there is a visarga. So that visarga will become sh because next word is sh. Shila shailo. Shila shailo. Then same vishala. After that vishalaha, that visarga sa is there. So that visarga will become sa. Vishala samana. And after samanaha, that visarga, after that there is a sh. So it will become Samanashila. And then that Visarga, which has a full stop after that, then you chant that Visarga full and say Shilaha. So first Visarga, Shila Shailo. Second Visarga, Vishala Samanaha. And third Visarga, Samanashila. And the last Visarga, Shilaha. You have to say so. So there are certain rules like that. Eventually, you will come to know. Then Madhya me. So that me, A is also permanent dirgha sound. We have to drag it little. Madhya menar, chi. Chi is short. Chisha. That sh is called as Murdhani Shakara, where you touch the tongue to the roof of your palate, and as though you're whistling, release the air from the sides of the tongue and say, sh, sh. So the first one was Shila, Shaila, Vishala, but this is Sha, Sha. So it's different than the previous Shakara. So you have to say Madhyamenarchik Sha. The next word, that Jushto, there also that half Sh. So you can't say Jushta like Shila. You will have to say Jush. Even that half Sh, the tongue has to touch the roof of the palate and produce the sound Sh. So Jush. So I'm not saying Jush, I'm saying Jush. See the difference? Like a whistle, the sound will come. Dhumaraji, that Dhu is a Mahaprana and also a Dirgha sound. Raji, that G is a Dirgha, long sound. Riva, that Ri is a short sound. So we have to make a difference between a Mahaprana, between a Hasva and a Dirgha. Dhumaraji, Riva, Ji, Ri, Ji, long, Ri, short, Va, Nala. So it may sound very overwhelming when you hear it on the day one. Some of you are new today, but not to worry. You'll be very thorough by the time they are completing this sarga. So we have got long way to go, not to worry. Okay, so with all these nuances in mind, Sumita ji, please chant.
मुमोच मुमोच च शिला शैलो विशाला
Mumocha cha shila shailo vishala samana shilaha.
मुमोच च शिला शैलो विशालास्तसमंशिलाः मध्यमेनाजुषा धूमराजीरिवानलः.
So jushto, not to pause. Madhyamenarchisha jushto dhumarajerivanalah. Okay, when the second time you'll get chance, you will be able to. Mumocha cha shila shailo vishala samana shilaha madhyamenarchisha jushto dhumarajerivanalah. For today's verse. Harina pidyamanena pidyamanani sarvataha.
हरिणा पीड्यमानेन पीड्यमानानि सर्वतः.
Shri Devi ji, Mane, Mane, could you just brush over the tune?
It is a plain thing. मुमोच च शिला शैलो विशाला सुमनशिला समनशिलाः.
So Ravana Nitaya Sitaya Shatrukarshanaha. Yeah. Mumocha cha shila shailo vishala samana shila. Yes, yeah. Sorry. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Mumocha cha shila shailo vishala samana shilaha. Madhyamenarchisha jushto dhumaraji. Vane, okay? Vane, was that okay? Or again, you have to change something.
Same.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Harina pidyamanena pidyamanani sarvataha.
हरिणा पीड्यमानेन पीड्यमानानि सर्वतः.
Pidya, P should be dirgha.
पीड्यमानानि सर्वतः.
Guhavishtani satvani vine durvikrutaisvaraihi.
गुहाविष्टानि सत्त्वानि विने दुर्विकृतैः स्वरैः.
Vine durvikrutaisvaraihi.
विने दुर्विकृतैः स्वरैः. हरि हरिणा पीड्यमानेन पीड्यमानानि सर्वतः गुह्यविष्टानि सत्त्वानि विने दुर्विकृतैः स्वरैः
Vinedur Vikrutai swear. Harina, that ana is a murdhani. Thank you, Sumita ji. Sorry. Harina, that ana is a murdhani nakara. It's not harina, harina. Not the dental sound, murdhani sound. Tongue should touch the roof of the palate. Pidyamanena, it's not pidya. Pidya, that P should be kept dirgha. Manena, pidyamana, ni. That ni is short, but P is long. Sarvataha. Guha Vishtani. That sh should also come Murdhani Shakara, even if it's half. Satvani, that ni is short. Vinedur Vikrutai Swaraihi. Visarga is becoming Sakara. Harina Pidyamanena Pidyamanani Sarvataha Guhavishtani Satvani Vinedur Vikrutai Swaraihi. Gayatri ji, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, got it. Yes, got it. Number 18. Samhan sattva sannada shaila pida nimittajaha.
Samah satva sanna
Samahan sattva sannada
Samahan satva sannada shaila pidani mittajaha
Good. Prithivim purayamasa dishashchopavanaani cha.
Prithivim purayamasa dishashchopavanaani nicha Samahan satva sannada शैलपीडानिमित्तजः प्रियवीं पूरयामास पृथिवीं पूरयामास दिशश्चोपवनानि च.
We will do another verse as well for this week. So, Samahan, that na is halanta, not to say mahana, then the tune will not come. Samahan, immediately sa we should say, so that na is left at halanta, half na. Samahan sattva sannadaha, that double na has to come. Sannadaha. So, nadash shaila, because visarga will become shakara, next word is sha. Shaila pida, P is dirgha, nimitta jaha. Okay. Second line, it is Prithivim. He is a Mahaprana. And Veem is Dirgha. And because the next word is Purayamasa, this Prithivim, Ma remains, Anuswara remains Ma only. Purayamasa, Pu is a Dirgha sound. Dishash, not to say Dichach. Dishash, Shash, both Shash should sound separately. Chopa Vananicha. Chopa, cho is along, vanani cha. Samahan sattva sannada shaila pidani mittajaha. You shouldn't chant when I am chanting, when you have unmuted yourself. Prithivim purayamasa dishaschopavanani cha. Next one. Shirobhif prithubhirnaga vyaktasvastika lakshanaihi.
There is some part of it.
Shirobhif. Ha is a Mahaprana. Its short sound. Visarga will become Phakara. Shirobhif prithubhirnaga.
Shirobhirpritibhirnaga
Shirobhi. Not Shirobhi. Shirobhi. Bha Mahaprana.
Shirobhirpritibhirnaga
It's not bhif. It's bhif. Shirobhif pruthu.
Shirobhirpritibhir.
Not bhi. Look over here. It's not bhi. It's bhif.
Bif.
Bhi. Mahaprana.
Shirobhirpritibhir.
Shirobhi. Bha should remain Mahaprana and then bhif. You have to say.
Shirobhirpritibhir.
पृथुभिर.
Pritubir.
पृथु, th महाप्राणा, ध महाप्राणा.
Pritubir.
Bhir, not bir. Bhir,
Bir.
bhir.
Bir. There is a Padapita here. Sarpa Vyaktas Vastikal Kalakshanahi.
Sarpa you have over there?
Yes, Sarpa.
Okay. Okay. Chant that way. In my book it is Vyakta. In your book it is Sarpa. Okay, go ahead.
Shirobih Pritibih Sarpa Vyaktas
Oh.
Vastikal
Instead of
Kalakshanahi.
Naga, you have Sarpa. So that is why. So you make it Naga because then the Visarga, Prithubhir Naga you do. That's why you got stuck. Okay. So instead of Sarpa, you make it Naga over there. So that Visarga will become Repha. With the Sa, the Visarga will not become a Repha. Shirobhih Prithubhir Naga Vyakta Swastika Lakshanaihi.
Shirobir Pritubih Naga Vyaktas Vastikal Kalakshanahi.
Prithubhir, no, Prithubhir. Visarga's R should happen. So you make one
Pritubir
Prithubhir Naga.
Naga Vyaktas Vastikal Kalakshanahi.
Vamantah pavakam ghoram dadam shurdashanai shilaha.
Vamantah Pavakam Goram Dadam Shudarsha Naishilaha.
Pavakam ghoram. Anuswaras gnakara. Ghoram gha mahaprana. Dadam shurdashanai shilaha.
Shirobih Pritibir Nagha Vyaktas Vastik Kalakshanahi. Vanantah Pavakan Goram Dadam Shurdarshanai Shilaha.
All Mahapranas we will have to fix. None of the Mahapranas were right, but eventually you will get it. Thank you, Gayatri ji.
Thank you.
Shirobhih Prithubhirnagarakvyaktaswastikalakshanaihi Vamantah pavakam ghoram dadam shurdashanai shilaha. Pushpaji, are you there or you are able to unmute yourself now, Pushpaji?
Ji, I'm traveling. I'm in a train. The internet is
Okay.
very sketchy.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Pushpaji. I just wanted to give you a missed turn of last week. No problem. So let's start the fresh batch from this week. You can mute yourself. Let's start. Sita Lakshmi ji. Okay. Now we are doing 20th. तास्तदास विषैर्दष्टः कुपितैस्तैर्महाशिलाः
तास्तदा सविषैर्दष्टः कुपितैस्तैर्महाशिलाः.
When you say dashta, keeping the ta alpa prana, you have to leave the visarga. Dashta and not dashtha. Dashta, ta alpa prana and then drop it.
तास्तदा सविषैर्दष्टः
So now dashta happened. So keeping the alpa prana also, dashta.
Is it dashta ji? Dashta?
Yes. Yeah, it is dashta and then that visarga, dashta.
तास्तदा सविषैर्दष्टः कुपितैस्तैर्महाशिलाः.
जज्वलुः पावको दीप्ता बिभिदुश्च सहस्रधा.
जज्वलुः पावको दीप्ता बिभिदुश्च सहस्रधा.
So we'll see that. It is, no, not yet. B, he. B first is alpa prana, then bhi is a mahaprana. B, he, dushcha. Bibhidushcha.
बिभिदुश्च.
Correct.
बिबिदुश्च सहस्रधा तास्तदा सविषैर्दष्टः कुपितैस्तैर्महाशिलाः जज्वलुः पावकोद्दीप्ता बिभिदुश्च सहस्रधा.
Only thing is, you're saying Sarvishair Dashta. So that breath has to go out. That is not happening. Dashta, like that, it is stopping over there. Dashta, that visargas. Can you try that?
तास्तदा सविषैर्दष्टा
So when
कुपितै.
you're saying that, then the dashtha is happening. So maintaining the alpa prana and then leave out the breath for visarga. So first,
Could you
ta,
please
yeah.
tell one more? Ji?
Dashta,
Dashtha.
ha no.
Ji.
So maintaining the ta, alpa prana, then give out the breath for visarga. Dashta,
Dashtha.
ha no. Ta,
Dashtha.
ha no. Ta,
Dashtha.
ha. Tha is not there. You just say the word ta,
Ta.
not tha.
Dashtha.
Ta, ta, and then ta.
Ta. Ta.
So tha, it's not the word tha. It's ta and after that visarga. So when you are adding visarga before that tha is happening of mahaprana. Mahaprana is giving out more breath. So you are giving out more breath in the beginning itself, and that is why it is becoming tha. Don't give out more breath in the beginning. First say the alpa prana ta, and after ta,
Dashtha.
ta.
Is it Dashtha?
Ta you say and then give the breath out.
Dashtha.
Okay, slowly you will get it eventually. It's not yet right. Okay, so you're saying still tha. Tha will happen when you're giving out alpa prana with the breath. But we have to say the alpa prana first and then give out the breath. So when you are mixing both visarga and that tha together, that's why it is happening tha. It's not tha. It's ta, ta first and then ha. Got it?
Tha. Okay, I'll try to listen and
Try and
learn.
you will get it. Yes, good try. So those who are hearing this for the first time, what happens is tas tada savishayr. Sh is again murdhani. Savishayr. That half sh also should be murdhani. Tongue is touching the roof of the palate. Ta is a alpa prana. Ta comes by the tongue touching to the roof of the palate. Ta. And that ta is a alpa prana, less air pressure. When you say the same ta with more pressure outside, it becomes mahaprana. Then it becomes ha. Ta, ha. Da, dha, na. So, ta and da are alpa prana. Ha and dha are mahaprana. Same ta and da, when expelled out with more air, will become ha and dha. So over here it is alpa prana, that means less air. So it is ta, dushta. After that visarga, there is the ka varga coming. So whenever a ka varga alphabet comes after a visarga, you have to lift the visarga up and drop it from there. So the sh has come, ta, alpa prana ta has come, lift the visarga. And not to say dashtaha or dashta, not like that. Dashta, ta. So when you are expelling out air and just cutting off, that sound will come. Ta and then ha. So whenever a ka varga is going to come after a visarga, you will have to repeatedly do this practice of lifting the visarga and dropping. That's the rule. Okay. Then what happens? Pupitais, tair, maha, shilaha. So that she is normal she. Then jajvalu. That jva is a conjunct. Ja and a va together is a conjunct. Sanyukta akshara. And before that jva, there is this ja. The j is having a. That means it's a rasva sound. It's not ja. It's j. So when a rasva sound is coming before a conjunct, that rasva sound will have a pressure and it will include the next alphabet into it. So j will have a pressure, j. And then it is have to include that little bit of the next alphabet, which is half j. So judge. So when judgvalu. Like that, the j will get a pressure and you say judgva. Judgva. It's not plain judgva. It's not judgva. Judgva. So that first j is having that pressure. That pressure is called as dvitva. So judgvaluf. Because next word is pa. So before a pa varga, when a visarga will come, that visarga is becoming fa. Judgvaluf. Judgvaluf. Then pavako long, deepta long. Pavako deepta bhi. So very tricky word. So either it will become bibi or both will become bhi. But it is one alpa prana, next one followed immediately by mahaprana. Bhi. And both are short sounds. So you can't say bi, he, bhi. Like you cannot change anything. Both should be crisp. Alpa prana, mahaprana followed success. So you need little practice. Vidhi. So whenever such words come, isolate those words and just practice only that much so that when you chant the whole verse, you will get like dashta, vidhi, like that. Look at the mirror and record your own voice. See where your lips are touching. And always hold your hand in four fingers in front of your mouth. Be. So when you say be, you should not feel the wind on your fingers. Be. So when I'm saying be, I'm feeling the blast of the air on my four fingers. You can try. Be. So if you're not feeling the blast for be, that means you're still chanting alpa prana and you're saying BB. So, and first, if you're saying bhi and you're feeling the blast, that is also not correct. So first, you should not feel blast on your four fingers. Second alphabet, you should feel B, he. So everyone can try and feel what I'm saying. The blast is there or not. So identify BP. Are you getting the blast on your, when you say BP? So you can identify whether your mahaprana is correct or not. Bibhi. So like that for tatha, you should feel. So for every mahaprana on your four fingers, you should feel that. Okay. So this is one of the ways where you can check for yourself whether your mahaprana was mahaprana or not. Mahaprana, expulsion of more air while uttering that particular alphabet. Bibhi, dushcha. So whenever this sh and a ch comes, there are many people who will say duchcha, like that. No, it's not duchcha, it's not double ch. It is one is half sh and the other is full ch. So dush cha should happen. Dush cha. That half sh should come over there. And sahasradha. So there are many people who will say sahasra. It is not sahasra. It is sahasra. Like how we say pra is having that rakara, right? While writing the Devanagari. So like that, sa is having that rakara. So sahasra. Sra, it is S-R-A and it is not S-P-R-A. Sahasra. Dha, that dha is a mahaprana. More air is expelled. Tastadasa vishairdaштah kupitaistair mahashilaha jajvaluf pavako deepta bibhiduscha sahasradha. Thank you, Sita Lakshmi ji, Lata ji. Next word. The next verse, sorry. Number 21. Yani taushadha jalani tasmin jatani parvate.
यानि त्वौषधजालानि तस्मिन् जातानि पर्वते
Shadhanyapi naganan nashe kushamitum visham.
विषघ्नान्यपि नागानान्नशेकुशमितुं विषम् यानि त्वौषधजालानि तस्मिन् जातानि पर्वते विषघ्नान्यपि नागानां न शेकुः शमितुं विषम्.
Yes, Lataji, perfect. So again, what are the nuances? Yani, tvau, shradha, that mahaprana, murdhani shakara. Tvau shradha, that dha is a mahaprana. Jalani, that ni is short. Tasmin jatani, that again ni is short. Parvate. Vishaghna, visha, sha is a murdhani. Vishaghna, jna, not vishagna. Many will say gna. It is not gna, it's gna. Gha is a mahaprana over there. It is not ga, it is gha. So vishagnanan. Vishagnanyapi. Sorry, Vishagnanyapi naganan. Anuswaras, nakara will happen because next alphabet is na. So the anuswara will become na. Shekush. Kush. Visargas shakara because next alphabet is shamitun sh. So shekush. Shamitung. Anuswara now here will become wakara, wa, because next word is va, visham. Visham, sha is a murdhani. So when a va is going to come after a anuswara, that previous anuswara is going to become wa, inevitably. So shamitung visham and not shamitum visham. Shamitung, wa with the chandra bindu is wa. Shamitung visham. Okay. Yani, sorry, what I've missed is dvitva. Tvaushadha, ta and a va. So ta and a va is there. So ni is a haswani. That means ni will have a pressure. Tvaushadha starting with ta. So the ni will have a pressure and it include one half ta into it. Quarter ta, not even half. 1/4 of that ta. So how the pronunciation over? Yani tvaushadha, yani tva. Nitva should happen. So ni is having a pressure and the twas half quarter ta you are nit. So you're not saying actually nit fully, but as though you're going to say nitva should happen. Ya nitva ushada, nitva ushada. Are you getting? So that is dvitva. Is everybody clear with this dvitva rule? Anybody is having doubt can ask now. Anybody wants to try this pronunciation? Ya nitva ushada. Lataji, you had chanted dvitva.
No, Varshaji, I didn't.
Could you
Shall I
chant?
do?
Yes.
यानि त्वौषधजालानि तस्मिन् जातानि पर्वते विषघ्नान्यपि नागानां न शेकुः शमितुं विषम्.
Yes, correct. So Vishaghna, Sha is also having a pressure. Vishaghna, because Ghna is a kanchan. But Vishaghna, Nya is a kanchan. But it is Vishaghna, Aki Matra is there. So there is no Dvitva over there. Ghna is not becoming Dvitva, though Nya is a kanchan. Only a Rasva sound followed by a kanjan, that Rasva sound is only going to get that pressure. So, ya nitvaushadha. Nitvaushadha. That's a very crucial dvitva which we had missed by doing that verse. Ya nitvaushadha jalani tasmin jatani parvate vishagnanyapi naganan nashe kushamitum visham. Is this verse clear for all? Because there were so many nuances. And if anybody has doubt, can ask now. Radha Krishnanji, next verse. Number 22. Bhidyate yangirirбhutaiрiti matva tapasvinaha.
Vidyate yangirirбhutaiрiti matva. Sorry. Vidyate yangirirбhutairiti matva tapasvinaha.
Correct. Trasta vidyadharastasmadupetu striganai saha.
Trasta vidyadharastasmadu dudet. Sorry. Trasta vidyadharastasmadu dutedu striganai saha.
Trasta vidyadharastasmadutpetu striganah. I think I didn't chant that with petu. Trasta vidyadharastasmadutpetu पेतु स्त्रीगणैः सह
त्रस्ताविद्याधरस्तस्मादुत्पेदुस्त्रीगणैः सह sorry.
yes
Yeah, भिद्यते यं गिरिर्भूतैरिति मत्वा तपस्विनः त्रस्ताविद्याधरास्तस्मादुत्पेदु स्त्रीगणैः सह
very good yes thank you Radha Krishnan ji. So what happens over here? Trasta. Trasta. No, sorry. Bhidyate. Dha is a Mahaprana. Dya is a conjunct. Bhidyate. See, Bhi. Mahaprana's power is already coming into it and Bhidyate is happening. It's not plain Bhidyate. Bhidyate. Bhi is having a pressure. Vidya, Dya's half the is included in. Vidyate is happening already naturally. Vidyate Yangiri. Ga is there. Ga is in a Ka Varga. Ka Varga's Anunasik is N. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, N. So the Anuswara over here will become N. Yangiri. Ganga. So Yangiri. Okay. Vidyate Yangirir. Girir. Both short sounds. Girir. Then Bhu is a long sound. Bhutairiti. Bhutairiti. Riti is again short sound. So Giri, Riti, short sound. But Bhu, Tai, they are long sound. So when a long sound comes, you pause on that alphabet. When you pause on a short alphabet, that alphabet will become Dirgha. So Girir, Bhu, Tai, pause, Bhu, Tai, pause. Riti. Don't pause over there. Finish it off fast. So when you finish it off fast, naturally you will sound it as a Hasva sound. But if you will pause, Riti, anywhere if you will pause, that even without you realizing, it will sound like a Dirgha sound. So not to pause on a short alphabet. Pause on a long alphabet. So you will maintain the chandas, that rhythm of that chanting also, and the sound will also be perfect. The dirgha sound, that extra matra that you have to make, pause to make it dirgha. Iti matva, matva. See, ma is having a pressure, half ta is included, matva. It's not simple matva. It's not matva. Matva. So naturally you will chant with the dvitva sound. Tapasvinaha. Tapasve. See, pasvina is happening at first. So there are some places we do it very naturally without realizing the Dvitva rule. And we do chant it. Matva only we say. We don't say matva. We don't say tapasvina. Tapasvina, normally the sound comes as a Dvitva. Pa is getting a pressure. Sa is included in that first pressure. Then second line, trasta. Trasta. Vidya. See, vidya. We don't say vidya. We say vidya. So in that V, with half the is included, that quarter of the vidya sounds vitva. We don't say vidya. Vidya, we don't say. Vidya. Vid. The V is having a pressure, then the sound is included. Dhara, that dha is a Mahaprana. Tasmad petu. So tasmad utpetu. Tasmad petu. Tu after tu visarga, after visarga strigana sa, so dutpetus, tus visarga has become sakara, dutpetus stri dirgha, ganai dirgha, ganai saha, saha sa, so visarga will become sa, ganais will happen, ganai saha. Okay. If anybody has doubt, can ask. Okay, let's go ahead. Vidyate yangirirbhutaiरिति मत्वा तपस्विनः रस्ता विद्याधरास्तस्मादुत्पेतु स्त्रीगणैः सह. Nikhilaji. Number 23. Panabhumigatam. So Wakara. Panabhumigatam hitva हैममासवभाजनम्.
पानभूमिगतं हित्वा हैममासवभाजनम्.
Correct. पात्राणि च महार्हाणि करकांश हिरण्मयान्.
पात्राणि च महार्हाणि करकांश्च हिरण्मयान्. पानभूमिगतो हित्वा हैममासवभाजनं पात्राणि च महार्हाणि करकांश्च हिरण्मयान्.
Very good. So what happens over here? Pana, bhumi. Bhu is Mahaprana Dirgha. Ni is not Dirgha. So when I was chanting that, I was making bhumi has happened. No, no. Bhumi gata. Ni should be short. Gatau hitva. Ha is there. Anuswara has become one again. Haima masava bhajanam. Haima. It's not ham. So North India will try to say ha or ai ki matra. It's not ha. It's hai. And not hey also. Hai. Ai ki matra. Two lines are there. Hai mamasava bhajanam. Bha is a mahaprana. Patrani cha. Ni cha should happen. You can't pause on ni. You can't say patrani cha. No. Then if you pause on ni, it will become dirgha. Patra. Pause over here. These are long sound. Nicha. To maintain any dirgha. Mahar hani. Mahar hani. Okay. Kara kaunshcha. Kaunshcha. Anuswara is becoming one because sh is there. So kara kaunshcha. Wakara will happen. Hiranmayan. Mana bhumi gatau hitva haimamaasava bhajanam patrani cha maharhani karakanscha hiranmayan. Lalitama. Number 24. Lehyan uchchavachan bhakshyan mamsani vividhani cha.
लेह्यानुच्चावचान् भक्षान् मांसानि विविधानि च.
Yes. Arshabhani cha charmani khadgamscha kanakatsaru.
आर्षभाणि च चर्माणि खड्गांश्च कनकत्सरून्.
Please chant the whole verse.
लेह्यानुच्चावचान् भक्षान् मांसानि विविधानि च. आर्षभाणि च चर्माणि खड्गांश्च कनकत्सरून्.
Very good. So, quite tricky verse. Lehya. Yeah, H-Y-A. Lehya. Nuchava. Double cha is there. Conjunct. Nu is a short sound. Nu will have a pressure and it will include the cha into it. Nuchava. So, nuch one that half, 1/4 cha is going to come into it. Nuchava chan. Lehya nucha. Nucha. So, nu will be having that pressure. Nuchava chan. Bhakshyan. Ha is Mahaprana also having a pressure. Bhakchan. So ksha's its sound is there in bhak. Bhakshyan and not bhakshan. It's not chan. It's ya over there. Bhakshyan. So ya sound also has to be heard. Mamsani. So is there. Anuswar will become one. Not mamsani, not mansani. South India will try to say mamsani. North India will try to say mansani. So not na, not ma, wa. Mansani. Vividhani cha. Vivi, both are short sound. Dha mahaprana, long sound. Mich. Ni is short. Second line, you can mute yourself, Lalita ji. Arsha bhani. Shakara, murdhani. Arsha. Ha, mahaprana. Ni, murdhani ni. So this Arshabhani, to get the pronunciation perfect, there are 3 nuances. Pra, Ha, Ni. Murdhani, Mahaprana, Murdhani. It should come and Hasva sound. Nicha should also happen. Not Nicha, Nicha. Charmani. That Ni again Murdhani Anakara should come. Khadgamscha. Swa Mahaprana, not Kadgamscha. Khadgamscha. There is a pressure while releasing the ka. You release it with pressure. The ka will become tha. Khadgamscha. Anuswara is becoming one because sha is there. Kanakat sarun. Ru is a dirgha sound. Kanakat sarun. Long ru. लेह्यान् चावचान् भक्ष्यान् मांसानि विविधानि च आर्षभाणि च चर्माणि खड्गांश कनकत्सरून्. शोभाजी. Number 25. Kritakantha gunaha. So here now a new rule we are learning. Tra is there next. So whenever a visarga is followed by a tra, that visarga has to be chanted fully. Like as you are ending a statement. So Kritakantha gunaha kshiba raktamalyanulepanaha.
कृतकण्ठगुणाः क्षीबा रक्तमाल्यानुलेपनाः.
Perfect. रक्ताक्षाः पुष्कराक्षाश्च गगनं प्रतिपेदिरे.
रक्ताक्षाः पुष्कराक्षाश्च गगनं प्रतिपेदिरे. कृतकण्ठगुणाः क्षीबा रक्तमाल्यानुलेपनाः. रक्ताक्षाः पुष्कराक्षाश्च गगनं प्रतिपेदिरे.
Perfect. Yes. So, Kritakantha guna murdhani gunaha because cha is there. Sheba. So it is not Sheba. It is not she. Ka and sha should come together. Shri. Murdhani ksha. So ka and ksha murdhani will make ksha. So ksha. You will have to practice to get that ksha sound and it is not sh sound. Ksha. Murdhani. Shriba. Raktamalyanulepanaha. Ending. Visarga is chanted full. Raktakshaf. Pushkara. Pa is there. Pa varga. Before that visarga comes, it will become hakara. So, Raktakshaf. Push. Half sh also murdhani shakara. Pushkarakshascha gaganam pratipetire. Anuswaras ma only because pa is there. Pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. So, gaganam. Okay, let's do it. Kritakantha gunaha kshiba raktamalyanulepanaha raktakshaf pushkarakshascha gaganam pratipedire. Vani. Wait. Number 26. Haranupurakeyoorapariharyadharastriyaha.
हारनूपुरकेयूरपारिहार्यधरास्त्रियः.
Very good. Vismita sasmita रमणैः सह.
विस्मिताः सस्मिताः सस्थुराकाशे रमणैः सह.
Something different you said. Say again.
विस्मिताः सस्मितास्तस्थुराकाशे रमणैः सह. हारनूपुरकेयूरपारिहार्यधरास्त्रियः. विस्मिताः सस्मिताः सस्थुराकाशे रमणैः सह.
Very good. Yes. So now in this, what happens? See, huh? Ha is long, ra is short. No long, pu is short. No pu. Ra is short, k long. K. U is long, ra is short. You have to. Pa is long, ri is short. Ha is long, ya is short. Harya. Dha is short, ra is long. So it is short, long sound. You will have to change that. Like Haranupura Keyura Pariharyadhara. See? Nupu. So we are not pausing at where it is short. We are not saying Nupura. No. Nupura Keyura. So where there is long, you are coming and pausing over there. So there is a lot of attention required when such alternative Rasva Dirgha sound comes because when we are chanting fast, short sound will become long and long will become short because we are holding up the speed. So before you get on to chanting speed, get the pronunciation of alternating Hrasva Dirgha correct in the mind. So anytime Nupura, you have to say like that separately. Nupura, so it is registered that Nu is Dirgha and Pu is short. Keyura, K is long, U is long. So you have registered that alphabet in the mind. So like this, remove the parts and practice in parts so that pronunciation, even if somebody wakes up from this and say Nupura, you are going to say Nupura only and you're not going to say Nupura. Nupura. Nu is long and Pu is short, something like Dharastriyaha, Dha Mahaprana, and Visargas, Sa will happen, Dharastriyaha. So previously we got that word Stri, that time it was a Dirgha. So where there is Dirghas, you will have to chant Dirgha. Now here it is Striyaha, Stri is short sound, so we'll have to keep a short sound. We can't change the long and short sounds. Then Vismitas, Visarga Sakara, because Sasmita is there. Sasmitas. Tasthu, that is the word. Tasthu. Ta is Alpa Prana and Thu is Mahaprana. So when too many sakaras come, we try to give some extra sakara or we reduce something which we're supposed to chant. So just say Vismitas, Sasmitas, Tasthu. All the sakaras should come and that Mahaprana one which is there, that also should come. Tasthura-kashe Rama Anaisaha. Ana is a Murdhani. Ramanaisaha, not Ramanaisaha. So many times when it happens like that, we tend to, the tongue becomes actually lazy. We may think we are chanting, but it doesn't touch the roof of the palate because we have to chant it fast. Saramanai. Practice it separately. So that sound is registered in the brain forever. So even if there is a speed, you don't change the Murdhani into the dental sound, the cerebral sound to dental. Murdhani has to be kept at Murdhani sound. Dantya sound has to be kept at Dantya. Tongue touching top of the roof palate is Murdhani. Tongue touching the teeth is Dantya, dental. Ana, na, ana, na. Okay. Then what happens? Ramani Saha. Okay, then the shloka finishes. Let's do. Haranupura Keyura Pariharya Dharastriyaha. So Dharastriyaha, no, Dharastriyaha. Maintaining the long sound, you have to say Dharastriyaha. Dharastriya is not. Dhara. Then after that, Dharastriya. So chanting the full alphabet and then doing the Visarga. Then. Vismitas sasmitas tasthura-kashe Ramanaisaha. Let that get Number 27. Darshayanto Mahavidyam Vidyadharamaharshayah.
Darshayanto Mahavidyam Vidyadharamaharshayah.
Sahitastasthura-kashe Viksham-chakruscha parvatam.
Sahitastasthura-kashe Viksham-chakruscha parvatam. Darshayanto Mahavidyam Vidyadharamaharshayah. Sahitastasthura-kashe Viksham-chakruscha parvatam.
Very good. So now what happens over here? Darshayanto, plain. Mahavidyam, anuswara zomakara. Vidya, dhara. Dha is a mahaprana. Maharshayaha, Murdhani. I'm not saying maharshayaha. It's not maharshayaha. Maharshayaha. Tongue has gone up. You're changing the position of your lips and like a whistle releasing the air and saying pra. Okay, Mahatrayaha. Then Sahitas Tasthu. That Tasthu has come again. Tasthu, Thu Mahaprana. Tasthura-kashe. Over here. V long. Sham. I think I said Wakara. No, it was Nyakara only, but Lataji has chanted correctly. Viksham Chakruscha. Kra is a conjunct. Cha is a rasva sound. Chakruscha. So cha will get pressure and when half ka is coming in. chakruscha, Vikshan, chakruscha, cha will have a pressure. Parvatam. Okay. Taji, you chanted cha with the dvitva sound, right?
Yes, Varsha.
Yes.
Should I repeat?
Not, yeah, you can repeat, no problem.
दर्शयन्तो महाविद्यां विद्याधरमहर्षयः सहितास्तस्थुराकाशे वीक्षाञ्चक्रुश्च पर्वतम्.
Yes, correct. Darshayanto mahavidyam vidyadharamaharshayah sahitastasthuraakashe vikshan chakruscha parvatam chakruscha vikshan. So that dirgha and tasthura. That thu you should not stop. Otherwise it will become dirgha. Tasthura. That ra you come and stop. So when you pull a ra, it automatically becomes dirgha. But tasthu you stop, the thu will become long. Tasthura, tasthura, thura sound has to come. Okay, so tasthu, akasha is the word. Tasthura, so thura should happen to maintain thu's alpa prana. Maintains thu rasva sound. Okay. Darshayanto mahavidyam vidyadharamaharshayah sahitastasthuraakashe vikshan chakruscha parvatam. All hands over today. No backlogs for next week. Great. So we have done quite a lot of verses from 16 to 27. 12 verses we have done. That's a great speed. But if anybody is feeling fast, please let me know. Now, anybody has any doubts in these 10, 12 verses, anything to ask, any pronunciations not understood?
Hari Om Varsha.
Yes.
In verse 17, in my book, it is Girina Pidyamanena. It's you chanted
Not
it as
Harina.
not Harina. Girina Pidyamanena. It's Pidyamanena Girina like that. So it's not Pidyamanena Harina, no? It's
No.
not.
Okay. Harina Pidyamanena, you have Pidyamanena Girina. You will chant that way
No,
from your book.
Girina Pidyamanena. Girina. It's
Girina. Okay, doesn't matter. You can chant that way. No problem.
in verse 19. Here, first line, last word. Vyaktasva. Is there any dvitva here? Vyaktasvasti. You chanted like that.
Yes.
Is
Vyaktasvasti, yeah, there is. So, vyak, that will have a dvitva. Swas, that will have a vikva. Swas, that will have a dvitva. So, Shirobhih prithubher naga vyaktasvasti kalakshanaihi.
that dvitva is there.
Vitva is there. Yes, yes.
And
Good pointing out. Yes, we have probably have not mentioned that, but yes, there is. Yes.
verse 21. In my
Yes.
book, Yani Aushadha Jalani is there. Not
Yani Aushadha.
Yani
Yani.
Aushadha. Yeah.
Okay, so you don't have the tu. So then how is your yani aushadha jalani? Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. Doesn't
Then
matter. It is not changing the meaning. No, because tu is that padapurtha. No.
at the 27th verse, Sapriyas Tasthurakashe. Sapriya is there. Is Sahita.
Sahita. No, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You can still chant Sapriya if not Sahita. Doesn't matter. And your version of book is which one? Is it Gita Press or something else?
Gita Press.
Gita Press.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll keep it. No problem.
Grammatical question. I don't know. In 26, is it Striyaha or Striyaha?
Striyaha.
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 Striyaha is plural or single? All Striyaha.
Plural only. Striyaha.
Thank you.
And I will verify it in the dictionary right now. That day, like this, we verified in the dictionary and we had a very nice thing. In Mahabharata tense. The word was Bibhatsu. Very nice. So Lata ji had asked, what is the meaning of bibhatsa? Okay, bibhatsa, like bibhatsa bhava, disgusting. I said, yeah, that's all. But in the meaning, nowhere this disgusting word is there. And nowhere anything is shown as, I said, just let us check it out. What is bibhatsu? So only in Mahabharata, Bibhatsu is the name for Arjuna. So Arjuna is that kind of a warrior who is disgusted with unethical war. In that sense, Arjuna is having the name Bibhatsu. Bibhatsa is disgusting. Bibhatsu is the one who is disgusted with unethical worship. So that was a very good finding during that class. So now this Triyaha, so just give me a minute, I'll verify it right now. Sometimes when we verify it then and there, some nice idea comes. We are all learners only, so we should leave ourselves at that to learn, we get some idea. Some new point might come which we have not thought. Yeah. So, have you done with me Vibhakti? Okay. Anybody has done with me Vibhakti and can remember Dirgha Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda Nadi Shabda?
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. I was just going to
Correct.
say that.
See, Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha. It's not Nadyaha. Stri Striyau Striyaha. So Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan is going to be Striyaha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good. So one must ask it out. I may not have the answer. I will also study. So as always, as I say, it's not the class is held by me. And because I know I teach, no, I don't know. And I'm also learning and we are as in a group, all seekers trying to. So it's somewhere somebody gets an idea and then it is executed as a group energy to learn or to say. So I don't know. This is my honest thing. And in the journey, I am also evolving. So ask doubts. I may not have answer. I may search and come back with that answer. Okay. It's okay to be. And volunteer. Don't have the fear of chanting. So same familiar faces chant. And then you might think, oh, they are chanting so nicely. So I should not chant. No, if you will not volunteer, then you will not grow. So it's okay to volunteer. And it's okay to do mistakes. And it's okay to forget something. Then from there we can rise up. So give yourself a chance to chant and come out. There will be so many changes in the personality happening. That okay, in a class you are able to open up. You are not shy. You learn the chanting. And then earlier in my olden days, I used to collect audios to correct so now because of the time constraint, that time when I was working 12 hours full time from 9 to 9, I had so much time to correct. And now when I am jobless, I don't have time to correct audios. I don't know what it is. It is like that, but somehow it is like that. And that time the clinic would also be busy. Somehow it was happening. God alone knows how he did it. So that's what I said. So in the class, if you will volunteer, I'll get to see your face also, and you will also get a chance to improve and check whether you are doing it correctly or not. So when you are doing in your home on your own, in your private session, you know whether it is coming correctly or not. Otherwise, you would not know whether it is correct. So it's okay to volunteer. So with this note, let us end the session because 9:15 Singapore time, daily Gita class has to start. So we'll pause for today. We meet next Tuesday And if you're feeling shy to ask in the class, send me a private message asking your doubts. That's okay. And slowly, eventually, you will open up and classes. Let's end today's session. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurupyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Sita Ramachandrarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for
Hari Om.
joining. Let's
Hari Om.
meet
Thank
Varshaji.
you.
Thank you,
Hari Om.
Varshaji. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Varshaji.
Varshaji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Varshaji.
Thank you, Varsha.
Thank you, Varshaji. Thank you, Vane. Thank you, Pavitri. Okay, my God.
बुलाया ही नहीं. She never asked me anything. मैं के साथ बीच में बात करूं? इन लोग का क्लास
you,
चालू है.
Varshaji.
कैसा बीच में बात करूं?
जी
नहीं तो
लक्ष्मी
डर
जी,
लग गया.
आपका पहला दिन है, कैसे हैं आप? हैप्पी टू हैव यू लक्ष्मी जी.
बोलो. हेलो मैम.
जी जी.
हेलो
Happy
मैम.
to
I'm
have you.
Lakshmi Narayan from Newcomer.
Yes, that's what I understood, sir, as. Happy to
Yes.
have you. So please do volunteer. Keep your camera open, volunteer, and learn. So next Tuesday, hope to hear from you also, the chanting. Hari Om. Thank you for joining.
नहीं.
Hari Om Varshaji.
Hari Om Taraji.
Hari
Good
Om.
to see you.
I was
But
not
I'm a
able
newcomer.
to.
I'm a newcomer.
Yes, yes,
I
ji.
think
Lakshmi ji,
my
yes.
daughter might have told you everything.
Ji, ji, ji. Ji, Lakshmi ji.
Yeah. I'm joining from today.
Yes. I'm
Okay.
aware.
Okay.
Happy to have you
Thank
here.
you.
Hari Om.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Taraji, sorry. Please tell.
Your poster came out the day before I left the country. So I did try to print out the script, but it wouldn't let me do that. So I'm wondering if anybody knows where I can get the Roman printing of your Valmiki script. I'm only familiar with the Tulsidas Sundakand.
Okay. Fine. Online, which I've put that from Stotra Nidhi, it is not allowing you to print.
No.
Okay.
But also,
Let's-
I'm not at home, so I can't print anything right now. So
Okay. Let me then see which version I can give you in a printable form that should be available. And you are there in the group, right?
yeah, I'm in the group, but I haven't been
Yes.
able to join until today. So
No problem. So if I get something in the Roman script, I'll post it in the group itself.
thank
All
you
the
so
versions. So
much.
then,
Thank
my
you.
pleasure. I'm so delighted to have you, Taraji.
Nice to see you, and with Hanumanji in the background.
Thank you. We have to hear from you the Hanuman Ban once sometime as the class gets around. You chanted so well. Yeah, so it's going to be a part of this class. We'll do Hanuman Ban in the class. Bajrang
I'm
Ban.
looking forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you, Taraji.
Varshaji, sorry to interrupt. From Vijnanam, I was able to print in English.
Acha.
Okay. So I'll post that in the group, Taraji then. Thank you, Indraji, for chipping in.
But there are lots of differences, lots of mistakes. So that is why I'm following very slowly in the class.
Okay, fine. Something better than nothing for Taraji to hold on, because Tulsi dance is what commonly people do, not Valmiki is not so common. Yeah, I'll do that for you, Taraji. Thank you, Indraji. Hari Om, everyone. Hari Om.
Hari Om.